Guys, these two Air Jordans are currently on the uprise and nobody's talking about it. But you know your boy The Vintage is here to help you guys save a couple of dollars. And if these are on your grill list, if these are some of the sneakers you want to get this year, now is the best time to grab them. We got to talk about it, we got to discuss, because y'all know Jordans come back on stock. So a lot of these releases coming out this year are going to look exactly like these two and a couple other releases we've gotten this year. So let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. You know your boy The Vintage is back and we here to save y'all some money. We usually do these videos, you know, talking about like top 5, top 10. But here in 2025, bro, it is two sneakers that have released and they have gone up tremendously in the resale value, which we have to talk about today. But if you guys are new here to the channel and you already messing with the vibes, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please run them likes up, bro. Every single like count, and that helps the channel grow. And you guys have been seeing, bro, we've been getting early releases on All-Star Weekend, shock drops, exclusive accesses, so many sneakers coming out. So I have to do a video talking about all my upcoming most anticipated releases, because I didn't even think I wanted the Union Air Jordan 1s. I was like, you know, they're gonna be extremely hard to get, the resale gonna be crazy, but we just got breaking news that they're going to be flooded. It's gonna be a lot of pairs, which is gonna shoot down that resale value. And you guys know I'm a huge fan of the Galaxies. I've been wanting them since 2012. I've been wanting them for a grip, bro. And the resale is already going for under $400, which is a good sign, bro. Yeah, I remember when them Galaxies released in 2012. They was going for like a band, bro. So we are in good luck with those two shoes. I don't know why the resale so low, but I'm happy, bro. You guys know the lower the better. They sit, I like them. Hey, that's an easy dub for me. But again, man, sub up, hit the notification bell, run them likes up, and let's get into these two sneakers in particular that you should grab before it's too late, man. All right, guys, so for the first shoe, you guys know we had to talk about it, bro. The Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined. Now, these right here changed the game. I know y'all can see those Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics were released back in 2016. It's like these just straight up shit on the other joints. Like everybody is loving the pipe and they loving the new rendition they did with the Nike Air on the back. Everything about these things just stream reimagined. And people are saying this is like top 2, you know what I'm saying, behind the Lost and Founds in the reimagined line. We got these, we got the Bred reimaginings, we had the Black Toe reimaginings that just released. We had the Air Jordan 3 white cements. The list goes on, but I can definitely say, and I agree, bro, this is definitely top 2. And if you more of a Jordan 5 fan, there's gonna be some people that take these over the Lost and Founds. Let me go and grab these things real quick, bro. You see them, bro. Lost and Founds to me is still number 1. I love the Chicago's. I had to pay resale for these, bro. It's crazy. It's looking like I'm gonna have to pay resale. Well, I'm gonna have to pay resale for the Breds and a couple other shoes, but this one by far is my number 1. And then number 2, I feel like a lot of people will agree, are these or the white cement reimagined. But I checked the resale just yesterday, bro, and this what made me do this video. I'm like, bro, there's no way these things is already going for $350, $360 in some sizes, and they are, bro. They just released, and usually it takes some time for the resale to shoot up, but these joints is already skyrocketing. That's why I had to come on here, bro. I had to come shop up with you guys, because y'all be looking for these videos, you know what I'm saying, what's some of the best ones to grab. I know some people on the fence. Like, I'm gonna pass on the Black Metallics so I can grab the Unions. I'm gonna pass on these so I can grab the Breds. It's one of those like give and takes, because people gotta prioritize what they want. But bruh, before you know it, these things are gonna be going for over $400 in every single size. And I see that happening definitely before the end of the year, but more around that summer time frame, people are gonna be pulling out these joints and rocking them. So in between that, you know, June, July time frame, ain't nobody gonna be talking about the Black Metallics. These are going to be going for $400. And you guys already know that the trend is going to definitely keep going up. Clean colorway, I'm loving them. And these might go down as like top 2 of the year, bro. That says a lot, because it is jam-packed with releases. I think that so far they said these are like the number 2 behind the Breds so far. And I think we should do a video probably when they get closer to around March, because we got Cool Grays, we got flu games. We have so many releases in the first 6 months of the year. So we're gonna do a top 10 so far. And hopefully I get some of those shoes early so I can go ahead and knock out that video. But definitely top 2 behind the Breds in my opinion. I gotta pay that penny, bro. The Breds going for so much money. If you ain't bought them, bro, we add that to the list right now, bro. Off the rip, bro. You gotta grab the Breds right now. They are currently still on the uprise, bro. I don't know if it's because it's tax season. I don't know what it is, bro. But I did not expect the Breds to be going for over $500, and I didn't expect these to be going for over $350. And that's just the lowest, you know what I'm saying, ask right now. You feel me? $350. You got to add in the fees, shipping. If you go to a local consignment shop, you probably gonna be paying 400 bones for these Air Jordan 5 black metallic red magnets. So don't say I ain't tell you, bro. Don't say I ain't tell you so, because these right here, bro, people are loving them. The white laces, the white piping, Nike Air reimagined. I do gotta take my hats off to Jordan Bred. They definitely executed these well, and I feel like they killed it with the spinoff, man. All right, guys, and next, I know you guys probably seen it coming, the dust magnets. These joints, I literally just pulled them out of the box and they're super dusty, but they are a black cat. People love the black cats, and the reason why I'm putting this one on the list today is because we all seen what happened to the black cat 4s in 2020 or 2019, one of the two. Bro, they're going for over $900 still to this day, and we're getting another pair of black cat 4s later this year with Nike Air on the back. So that's already gonna raise the hype for the black cat 4. So if you pushing off on these because of the black cat 4s coming out, just keep in mind, bro, they are going to be way more harder. I know that makes sense. They're gonna be a lot tougher to get come, you know, August, September time frame, because it has a Nike Air on the back, bro. We ain't seen Nike Air on the back of the black cats. So I'm telling you right now, bro, that hype is gonna be out of this world. It's gonna be a lot harder to get than the black cat 3. So these are sitting around like 230, 240 in most sizes, but definitely I can see them rising by, you know what I'm saying, June, July time frame, kind of the same time frame we seen with the black cat 4s. Like, they were sitting for forever, nobody was talking about them, and next thing you know, people were like, hold on, bro, these ones going for $500. Then like a couple weeks later, a couple months later, they're going for a band. So hey, I'm telling y'all right now, bro, listen to your boy the Vintage. These have crazy potential of uprising, and I got my pair crispy, bro. I don't know when the special occasion gonna be for me to pull them out, but yeah, man, these things right here is cold. And yeah, these along with the black metallic 5s and the Breds. The Breds another category because they already going for like 500, which is crazy, bro. I didn't think I'd see the day where the Breds would be worth that much money. And it's like every single time they come out, 2016, took an L, that's going for like 350. I was like, I ain't paying 350. I think they're gonna drop and resell. And then now look at the Bred 2016s, and then along with these Bred high 85s, bro, they're going for 500 the week after the drop. I can't win for losing with the Breds, and that's one of my ultimate grills, and I just don't want to pay the money. But eventually, you guys gonna see me unbox them soon. Definitely Sneaker of the Year candidate, and a grill of mine along with the Galaxies, which y'all already know, coming straight to the collection, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Make sure y'all run them likes up and comment down below if you think it's any other you know, sneaker that people should keep an eye out for. You see the resale kind of rising, you think the hype gonna kind of catch on later. That happens sometimes with sneakers. So if you have any predictions, any bold predictions, go ahead and comment down below. But again, I appreciate it. Sub up, hit the notification bell for your boy, run them likes up, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.